Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Missing me? I am also within one day. So, enjoying the vacations? Yes, definitely. I know everyone loves the vacations, but study is also important, so we have to do the studies also. So, we are going to start a new lesson which is about the chemical effects of electric current. Is the name new to you? नया नया लग रहा है? No, na? Because in the 7th grade, 6th grade, you have already learned about the materials, about the electric effect, about the chemical effect, electrolysis, right? But what new things you are going to learn in this lesson or in this class? In this lesson, you will learn about the conductors, insulators, electrolytes. You will learn about the electrical conductivity of the liquids, how some liquids allow the electricity to pass through them, some doesn't allow the electricity to pass through them. You will also learn about the chemical effects of electric current. You will also learn about the electrolysis and its application, and also electroplating and its uses. So, beta, in the previous class, when you were in the 7th grade, you have learned about some materials which allow electricity to pass through them. So, उन materials को क्या कहते हैं हम? They are known as conductors. How to allow to electricity to pass through them? Because their resistance is very low. या तो उनमें रेजिस्टेंस होता ही नहीं है या बहुत कम होता है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, द चार्ज कैन ईजीली फ्लो थ्रू देम, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे अलाउ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू पास थ्रू देम, and they are known as conductors. So directly the materials, the substance or the objects which allow free flow of electric current, they are known as conductors, and that is why they are known for easy transmission of light and energy, light and heat energy. इसका एग्जाम्पल आपके घर में हीटर है, बल्ब है, एलईडी ट्यूबलाइट्स, बल्ब्स, राइट? वी आर यूजिंग देम. The conductors are of two type: good conductors, bad conductors. जो completely अपने अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को बिना किसी बाधा के, बिना किसी रिस्ट्रिक्शन के पास होने देगा, दे आर द गुड कंडक्टर्स. बट अगर उसमें थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंस आ जाए, मतलब उसको डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है उसमें से पास होने के लिए, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो रही है बट कम्प्लीटली नहीं हो रही है, दैट इज़ द बैड कंडक्टर्स. On the other hand, there are insulators also. So what are the insulators? They are having very high resistance, and that is why the ions are not free to move inside it, and that is why the electricity will also not flow through them. Electricity भी उनके अंदर से नहीं जाएगी, right? And they are known as insulators. Means the objects which does not allow the electricity to pass through them, they are known as insulators. Few examples of conductor like silver, gold, copper, steel, and insulators: rubber, glass, oil, diamond, dry wood. Can you tell me the name of the good conductor of electricity? Guess. Silver. Silver is a very good conductor of electricity. But why we know, हम उसको इस्तेमाल क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? Because first it is expensive. दूसरा, उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बहुत लो है एज़ कम्पेयर टू कॉपर एंड एल्यूमिनियम. इसीलिए आप जितनी भी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लाइंसेस देखेंगे सभी के अंदर या तो एल्यूमिनियम की वायरिंग होगी या कॉपर की वायरिंग होगी, आपको उसके अंदर सिल्वर और गोल्ड की वायरिंग नहीं मिलेगी. बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपेंसिव और उनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट भी बहुत हाई है. जहाँ भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी वहाँ हीटिंग इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी कांट यूज़ द सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड इन द इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस. जबकि वो एक गुड कंडक्टर है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के, देन ऑल्सो वी कैन नॉट यूज़ देम बिकॉज उनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट लो है और हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है एल्यूमिनियम का. इसलिए जब आप जितने भी पावर हाउसेस देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे एल्यूमिनियम वायर का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है बिकॉज उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल शो यू वन वीडियो. Watch it carefully. So this is the video in which you have to observe the conduction of electricity through the different liquids. In this you will require connecting wire, bulb, cell, beaker, distilled water, salt solution, tap water, lime juice, vim liquid, any dishwash you can use, and the sugar solution. What you have to do, you have to connect the circuit as you can see in this video and fill the different type of liquids in the different type of bowls, and you will observe which is allowing the electricity and which is not allowing. As you can see in this video here, in the distilled water, when the wires are away from each other, मतलब जब वो एक दूसरे से दूर हैं, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास नहीं कर रहे हैं, और जैसे ही ये उनको कनेक्ट कर रहा है, द बल्ब इज ग्लोइंग बिकॉज द डिस्टिल्ड वाटर is not allowing the electric current to pass through it. And in the other solutions you will observe that they are allowing the current to pass through them from one end to another end. Okay, so in this you can observe that few liquids are the good conductors, few liquids are not the good conductors. Okay, so do you know in some situations liquid is conducting but the bulb may not glow? This happens because the liquid are not such good conductor as metals. So in some situations the bulb of tester does not glow, although the liquid conduct electricity. It becomes the current flowing through the circuit is very small and the filament of bulb will not glow because it is not getting the sufficient heat to glow. And this bulb which is used here, it is the light emitting diode, which is known as LED in the short form. They are made by the semiconductors. और इसको connect कैसे करेंगे आप? You will connect it with the help of the positive and negative end. और पहचान कैसे करेंगे? जो longer lead होगी इसके अंदर, that is the पॉजिटिव एंड, और शॉर्टर वाली नेगेटिव एंड. ठीक है. द लिक्विड विच कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड अंडरगो डीकम्पोजिशन, मतलब जिसके अंदर डीकम्पोजिशन भी हो रही है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी पास होने दे रहे हैं, ऐसे लिक्विड को हम बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू ओनली दिस. इन टुमारोज क्लास वी विल लर्न, विल अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक chemical effects of electric current. So dear students, there is a warm up activity in your book on page number 165. Try this out. I will send 10 internal question answers. Write them in the fair notebook. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.